Can one bird make a joke? No, but two can. Two can. Okay, let's get to it. We've got another one we're talking about today, surface area. Now, I could say of prisms because that's specifically what we're working on, but surface area of anything um, is essentially what we're doing today. Now, just so we're clear, prisms, they have a consistent cross section, which means I can cut them at any single point, and they should show the same face as the front. The opposite of a prism generally tends to be a pyramid, so it goes to a point. Just know that prisms, they have a consistent cross section. Okay, now, very simply, if I ever ask you to find the surface area, I'm just going to get you to sum all the surfaces. So every single surface you see, you're going to find the area of, and you're going to add them together. That's your surface area. So some little things to note here is for a rectangular prism, you're going to have 6 faces. Okay, for a triangular prism, you're going to have 5 faces. Okay, the 6 faces is like front, back, top, bottom, left, right. Okay, so there's your kind of 6 faces. I don't know if you guys can catch that. And also with your triangular prism, I hope you know that there's 1 front, 1 back, and then 3 in the middle. So that's knowing how many faces is going to help. Very quickly, just going to do one example. Find the surface area of this shape here. Now we know that there's 6 faces. And so what we need to do is we need to make sure we account for all 6. I think this is where your working out is helpful. So first things first, I'm going to find the area of this front face here. Nice and easy. That one's going to be 4 by 7. Now, what I notice here is there's also going to be this exact same face right on the opposite side. So I'm actually going to times that by 2. Okay, so 28 times 2 gives you 56 centimeters squared. And that would be that. Now for this one here, let's do this shape here. Okay, so again, that's another rectangle. It's got a base of 3 and a height of 4. Now we didn't have to write it in here, but we know that that height is 4 because that height here is also 4, if that makes sense. So now that I've got that, this blue length will be 3 by 4. And again, there's one on the right, but then there's the same exact one on the left. So there's going to be 2 of those. And so I know that would be 24 centimeters squared. And for the last one here, let's use green. This top one here, I can see that there's a base of 7. And how far back it goes is 3. So you can kind of see that. So this would be 7 by 3. And we also know there's going to be one at the top, one at the bottom. So I'm going to also times that by 2. That'll give me 42 centimeters squared. Okay, so that means once I've done that, I've calculated, you can see here that I've calculated all 6 sides. All right, 2 sides for this, 2 sides for this, 2 sides for that. Once I've guaranteed that I've done all 6 sides, just add them together. I'm going to see if I can do this in my head. It should be 122 centimeters squared. Okay, so that's your total surface area. And that's the general idea. Find the area of every shape and add them together. Hope that helps, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.